Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis on the S&P 500, ticker symbol SPX. Also going to take a look at Generac generators, ticker symbol GNRC is one that we talked about on the channel, talking about how we have a bullish outlook on it for the remainder of the year. However, it's looking like things are getting a little rough as far as the price action of the stock. So I wanted to talk a little bit about that as well. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the S&P 500 to start, and I think that we are due for some type of pullback fairly soon, although we could pop our heads a little bit higher before doing so. We've hit all-time highs a couple of times here, and we've been rejected and fallen down, not significantly, but we kind of poked our head up 54, 47, 25, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and we could pop up and hit it again. And if, just kind of looking at that in a sense of like thinking about a ceiling, how we keep hitting our head at the top and bouncing down, we can't really bust through it. If we do bust through it, then obviously we're going to be a lot more overvalued than we are now, which we currently are overvalued. So I expect some type of pullback within the next couple of days to a week or something. I don't know if there's something that's going to cause that to happen or if it's just going to happen on its own, but it would be kind of healthy for it to pull back. So as you see, we've been in a bullish pattern, let's see, for close to 3 weeks now, basically on the S&P 500. And then the last time we were in a bullish pattern, bearish pattern, sorry, that lasted roughly about a week. So in my estimation, possibly next week we see a pullback, and again, it didn't have to be anything significant, but I do think that we're going to see some pullbacks in the S&P 500, and you can expect some pullbacks in some of the major stocks. Hopefully we see a green Friday. That would be nice to see some of the some of our stocks that we hold, like Amazon, Tesla, and all those, to push forward. But then overall, I think that we do see some type of pullback, and then from there we either continue to move higher or something happens where we fall down. But the first level of support, if we would happen to get real nasty, would be about 51.30.19. If we'd happen to break below that, you'd have 49.34.04, 47.75, 46.16, 43.91, and then 41.03 would be crazy if we dropped all the way down there. But I just expect some type of pullback in general from the markets, in my opinion. So let's take a look at Generac generator. So this here has consistently been falling ever since it hit all-time highs, and it actually just broke below the support level of 137.53, which makes me think we are going to go lower and retest that support level below. So I was really hoping that we hit, we got above that channel here, okay, but we just couldn't confirm above it. So then we sold off pretty hard, and now we are breaking below that 137.53 mark. Next support level down is 126.51. Okay, so we have to wait it out and see, do we pop our head back above and have 137.53 as a support and then move higher, or do we continue to come lower than what we're seeing here? And I think part of it, they had an article come out where they had people downgrade the stock basically, and so that pushed the price down. So in my opinion, I'm still bullish on the stock for the remainder of the year. I mean, we have, again, one of the most aggressive hurricane season forecasts that we've seen, and I mean since 2020 at least. And then the last time that happened, the stock went way up after that amount. I do have an option out on this. I'm going to see how low it can go and see what I'm going to do from there. I may end up averaging down in that option and just kind of go from there, because I'll be able to get multiple options now at a lot cheaper price to average down for this particular stock. But we'll just see how it goes. Again, the downgrade is what has pushed the stock down. So we're looking at 126.51 is what we're looking at for the next level of support. If it breaks below there, 117.61, 108.70, 96.01, 79.86 would be your overall floor from there. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you in this one. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.